Excel ribbon and their commands. Data validation. This feature allows to control the type of data entered into a worksheet. It makes sure that the users enter certain values into a cell. We can create a drop-down list for control under this validation. In data validation, we can see a dialog box. In dialog box, the validation criteria, we can see any value. By default, it is any value. Then below we can see all number, decimal, list, date, time, test length and custom. Each one and their uses I will show you. So sample data. Criteria number. Number means the number value is only supported in cell. Example, I am selecting some cells. Data validation. I already set the criteria settings. Here I given allow all number, data between, and minimum value 0 and the maximum value 100. Then OK. It means minimum we can enter 0 value and a maximum of 100, and other values or data are not supported. Just I am checking this, some data, okay, it is not supported and an error is come. We can see numbers 1 to 100. This error I already given, I will show you later. I am giving the cancel. Again giving the number 0, okay, it is supported. Again I am giving the 100 value, okay, it is supported. I am giving an excess value 101, okay, it is not supported and error is come, cancel. This area is only supported number, it is not supported decimal. Even though the value is in this range, it will not support it. Next one, decimal. I am selecting here data validation. Here we can see it is already set decimal and a data between and a minimum value 0 and in maximum value 100. Okay, here I am giving a decimal value 1.5. Okay, it is supported. Again I am giving next value 50.75. okay, it is supported. But I am giving a big value greater than the range 150.50. okay, it is not supported and error is come. Number with the decimal 1 to 100. Cancel. Next one, date. I am selecting here data validation. We can see the data validation set here. This area supported only date and dates are already set. Which date we can give? Here I am given data between and the starting date today -7. Today is a function, it is showing the today's date. Today -7 means the 7 days back from the today's date, and the end date we can see the today's date. It means it will support today's date and 7 days back to the today date. Okay, I am giving this date. Example, today's date is here given 8/29/2021. Here I am giving 8/29/2021. okay, it is supporting. Again I am giving bar 28 bar 2021. Okay, it is supporting. Again I am giving 8 bar 25 bar 2021. Okay, it is supporting. But I am giving an older date, it is not supported. Again I am giving a date, it is more than the today's date 21. It is not supported. By this way we can control the data to enter these cells.